Hey guys, in these 3 minutes I'm going to show you how I just made this shot with these lights. First, the composition. We have glossy table, okay? It's a glass, it's a mineral glass, but completely black. It's super cool, it's reflective, but scratch less because it's not plexiglass. You can buy it in IKEA. At Photigy gear page, there is a link to it. At Photigy, we have 2 premium tutorials where I show everything from the scratch, how to shoot this shot on a white background and this one on a black. But for you, for our dear subscribers, it will be an easy and fast shot. When we shoot glossy, what do we need? We need to make sure that we do not make mistakes by blurring too much, by diffusing too much with the light. Glossy meaning sharp reflection. This is really important, guys, to make sure that you have sharp reflection from your light, even when you use diffusers. Here I'm using diffusers, but usually it's not a good idea to use diffusers for glossy shoes. Just use soft boxes. No umbrellas, no octaboxes, just a square or strip boxes, okay? But I'm going to use diffusers because it's a creative shot. So one light there, let's take a picture and see. What we got here, we have reflection, we have a diffused reflection, right? However, why it still look glossy, the surface of the shoe? Because it's sharp cutoff line. It's really important to have sharp cutoff line here. How I'm creating it? I'm touching with my softbox, I'm touching the diffuser, so it creates a sharp cutoff line. Without it, it will be matte look and it's not gonna work, it's not good. So next light, what the best addition? Background light. I want it to be slight halo on a background. I have a light under the table. It's just little box light, brown color box light, so basically a little soft box. It hits and we got some halo, right, on the background. Now let's add some glossiness to it. How we add glossiness? Sharp light from top. If you turn on this light, you will see immediately, okay, this is the camera view, you see how it creates reflection. I really love this reflection. I like this one and I like that one. It shows that glossiness is really, really, really well. Okay, you have it here. Next, on that side, we need one more light. I have a diffuser. Again, I'm not recommending you to use diffusers. Go simpler. If you want to shoot for clients, use just soft boxes. This is a little bit more advanced setup. Again, if you want to learn why we didn't use diffusers on the women's shoes, why we use it here, it's all on Photigy. Okay, now we have 2 diffused light, 1 sharp light. All looks good, but something is missing. What is missing? Let me check. What is really missing here? The frontal area. You see how dark it is? We need one more light to make it a little bit nicer, a little bit distinctive look for the boxes. I have it here. Spotlight, Fresnel lens, okay, and here we go. It just a little bit highlighting this area. And well, the final shot, this is what exactly it looked like. So if you want to learn everything, join us at Photigy.com. We are the best place to learn product photography. I'm Alex Koloskov, your instructor. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. The link to the whole workshop is up here, and I see you on the next video. Goodbye.